All right, so we want to graph this, and I know it's a parabola that is going to look like this. How do I know this? Because of that negative sign. So a negative x squared is a parabola upside down. If it was a positive x squared, it's going to look like that. So at least that kind of helps me a little bit to get started. Now, I always pick an intercept because it's just easy, right? To let x equal, so I'm going to let x equal 0. And so I think 0 squared 0, y would equal 6. So that gives me that point. So it's just kind of nice to have something I can find very quickly. The other thing is you have to be really careful with these negative signs. So let me do let x equal 1. And so let me get here. Y equals the negative of 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 6. When you square this, that becomes 1, and then you take the negative of it. So that's actually negative 1. And then plus 2 plus 6, so that would be 7. So now we have another point at 1, 7. All right, let's do another one. I did let x equal negative 2. So I'm going to plug in the negative of negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus 6. So again, you have to be careful here because negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, but that negative, and then of course minus 4 plus 6, so that would equal, what's that, negative 8 plus 6 would be a negative 2. So now I have the point negative 2. How nice, negative 2. So now I'm going to plot these points, and I know once again that this is a parabola, so I'm going to grab this bad boy right here. And so I would probably plot the intercept first, which was what, 0, 6. So I'll put a point there. And now I need to go to what, 1, did I not hit, oh I did, 1, 7, 1, 7, there we go. And then finally I need to go to negative 2, negative 2. And check that, and woohoo!